Day 6. And we're going floating market. But are we gonna float?
I'm gonna float.
Our driver just exit the car because I think he wants to pee, leaving us all alone. And the meter is still running. So Sheila, I don't have license. You also don't have. So what do you think?
Drive and go, drive and go.
Let's go. Let's go. So now we're going to the floating market. But where is it? Let's go and see. Okay, so we found the floating river and there's fishes. And I just bought 4 kilos worth of mangosteen. Instant regret because I have to carry it the whole day. What? Okay guys, I just saw cempedak goreng and she was telling me that it's very sweet. Like I know it's very sweet. So I haven't had cempedak goreng for quite some time. Even back in Singapore, I had cempedak goreng. So I bought it and then I tried. And it's very different because you can actually gigit the biji. I was shook. I screamed like very loud, and I'm just quite shook that they invented something that we can bite. Like, why are Malay people so stupid? Why do we throw away the seed when we can bite the seed? Betul tak? Like, but the thing is the isi is not that nice. Kau masak sambil berkembang. Okay guys, inside the MRT and we have some BDSM doing this. As you can see. Oh yeah. Like this. You're gonna hook yourself like that. Okay, so it's near Wasabi, don't know what. We lock our box so in case we forgot to just watch this video. Okay, done.
Close,
Yes, close. Okay, finally we can post our postcard. I mean, it's on the last day. So, sending postcard back to home. Okay guys, we're at our last night market for this week, for this holiday. And it's a train night market. It has been like relocated or something. So let's go shopping. Hat and t-shirt made to order 15 minutes tu. Tengok, dorang makan ni macam snack sak. Kau tengok. Macam snack sak. Yay, finally. Dah lihat ni. Busy. Now, I don't know what it's chicken, but I don't know what it is. Okay, so because tomorrow is our last day, I have to rush everything, so we're having breakfast. I mean, they say fridge, right? Woo. Our room is in a mess. Breakfast on the last day. Alhamdulillah. Oh, go back, oh. Go back, balik kampung, oh. The airport, leaving Bangkok. Oh my god, bye Bangkok. Bangkok, hashtag Bangkok. Kini kita berada di JB, pit stop pertama kita sebelum ke Singapura.
The Spirit cabin crew should reach the VC to row 1, 12 and 13 to the extra leg room at a nominal fee of 32 Singapore dollars. If you require any assistance, please do not hesitate to call us. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, all visitors to Singapore are required to complete a disembarkation card for immigration clearance. Please note the warning on your disembarkation card about the severe penalties for drug offences in Singapore. If you are carrying more than 20,000 Singapore dollars or is foreign equivalent,
Yay, waiting for our bags. Where are you?